All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Today I'm sitting in a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Today I'm going to show you how to apply the parking brake and release the parking brake, okay? So I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? And the vehicle is in park, okay? So I'm going to look down, and you see down by my foot right there, there is a pedal right here. You see this pedal right here? That is for the parking brake. Some people call it emergency brake right here. It says push on and push off, okay? So I'm gonna do that. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push down on here, push it down, and the parking brake comes on, okay? As you can see right here on the dashboard instrument panel, it says brake. That means the parking brake is applied. Now to release it, I'm gonna go back down here, all right? You see that pedal? I'm gonna press it again, and it comes up, and it is released, and the parking brake is released. As you can see on the instrument panel, the light is going off. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.